Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Vidya Vihanga. In this video, I am going to show you how to access your computer by using different types of shortcuts. First shortcut is to remove the temporary files which lies in your computer when you are opening different folders for accessing different softwares. So just press on Windows plus R and enter %temp%. It will redirect you to the temporary files which will not be available for you to watch in your system, means which is in hidden folder. Just click on Ctrl A, select all the files and press Shift plus delete in order to delete the files permanently. Or else if you want to delete them by moving it to the recycle bin, just click on the delete button in your system. It will delete the temporary files in your system. And the second type by which you can remove the temporary files in your system is by pressing Windows plus R and enter temp. Here it will show you set of files which can be deleted permanently from your system and which can be viewed by you. And the third comes the prefetch, which means if you are going to open any types of files or softwares, the starting file will be uploaded here and it can be accessible easily when you are going to open the file within the system and when you are going to use the software or other types of files. Just click on continue and it will give access to the all different files which is saved with PF in your system. Just click on Ctrl A and delete the files, which makes your computer faster, and here you can remove all the files in your system except the DLL file, which is the host file you are running on the Windows. Here is the second trick. In this trick you can access your disk management, in which the partitions in your disk can be appear here. Just press Windows plus R and enter diskmgmt.msc and click on enter. It will open a new window showing your partitions on your disk or hard disk in your system, and C is the main drive, D and E are different drives you have allocated for your other purposes. If the status is removed from healthy to other one, then the drive is completely filled with virus, so that you should format the drive. When you are going to extract or shrink the volume of drives present in D and E, it can be extracted by using different formats or by using the third-party apps. But when you are going to shrink the volume of C, it consists of 1 MB file which is responsible for entering into your system. So please be careful while extracting or shrinking the volume of C. Here comes the third trick. For some reasons, I am not able to show you the manual or practical implementation of network commands in the command prompt. But when you are going to implement it in your command prompt, it will surely give you the complete details of your network. If you want to know the complete details of your IP address, subnet masking and gateway and the MAC address, just press Windows plus R and enter CMD. Here enter ipconfig, which shows you different ways by which you have connected to your network. Either it may be of LAN or WAN, and gives you the complete network information, that is your IP address and gateway address by which you are accessing the internet. If you are going to enter by display DNS, it will give you the information regarding the sites that you have opened earlier in your Google Chrome, and whatever the sites that you have accessed using the Google Chrome will be displayed. And if you are going to watch all the information regarding your system about the MAC address and the code that present in your system, either it may be i3 or i5, just enter ipconfig by all. It shows you the complete information of your hardware system and different configurations of your system. Here comes the fourth trick. In this trick, you can know all the files that present in your current directory of your system, and it will be appeared as different formats. Just press Windows plus R and enter CMD. I am going to change the directory by using E:. When you are going to move from one drive to another drive, enter the drive name and colon. If you are going to move from one folder to another folder, enter CD space. Just hit the tab. It will show you different files that are present in your directory. I am going to enter into a 4.2, and if you want to list all the files present in it, just enter dir/s. It will be displayed different documents, either it may be of readable format. If you want to know the structure by which you have arranged the folders, just enter tree. And this is the way I have arranged different folders in a particular folder. And here comes the fifth trick. What should we do in order to stop the background running apps in your system when you are going to start your system or open your system? Here is a simple trick. Just press Windows plus R and enter msconfig. Which will be open in a window which shows you different options like normal setup, diagnostic setup, and selective startup. In normal ways means when you are going to open this system configuration for the first time, normal startup will be enabled. Just click on selective startup and load the system that you want when you are opening the system. Here is the default OS present in my system, that is Windows 10, and these are the different services that are offered by Microsoft Windows in order to run the OS, and some of them are stopped and some of them are running. Here comes the third-party apps that is installed in your system. Just open Task Manager, and here you can see all the startups that are enabled in your system. Well, the uTorrent is enabled in here, and click on it. Just click on disable, and when we are going to open the system or restart the system, that time uTorrent may not be available on your desktop as running on the background as a startup. And these are the different tools that are offered by Microsoft Windows in order to run the OS. After completion, apply option will be enabled for you. Just click on apply and click on OK, so that when you are going to open the system next time, it will stop all the third-party apps that are installed as a startup in your computer. And here is the small trick. Apart from our shortcuts, just press Windows plus R and enter CMD. Here you can change the color of your letters on the window just by entering color. If you are using this for the first time, just enter color and hit enter. It is just like an exit operation which does not perform any of the color changing options in your command prompt. If you are going to enter color \1 space 1 and hit enter, it is going to change into blue color. And if you want to remove the color on your letters, just click color and click on enter. The color that appeared on your letters will be removed. Thank you.